Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your Freebyz account. It's very simple and very easy. After signing up, when you sign into your account, you are going to see verify your account at the top. So it's going to make it to have access to withdraw a lot of money, and also you are going to have access to get a lot of tax. You get access to get a lot of remote, so you get full details about this Freebyz when you verify your account. So right now I'm going to sign in. I just created this new account so that I can show you how you can verify your account. So Freebyz, so I'm going to tap on it. So sign in, just log in. So I'm going to write your email and your password. So make sure you don't forget your password. So you can see this is a new account 000. You can see. So right now you tap on this fund wallet. You can see accounts not verified. Fund your wallet to get verified. Then you fund this. So if you want to fund your account, you are going to make use of $3,000. 3,000. You can see it's just a token money. 3,000 is a token money, and you are going to earn more than that. So you can see, then you tap on this fund wallet, and then you tap on this Quora. So if you are the kind of person that don't like to pay with card, I don't like to pay with, but you can make use of the second one. And the second one, you are going to be able to transfer direct to that local bank, and then you tap on 3,000, and then you tap on continue. So you wait for it to load. So you can say, okay, pay with bank, pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, pay with bank. I prefer pay with transfer. Then I understand the instruction. Transfer only the exact amount. Do not transfer incorrect. Do not save or reuse the account. The account expire, and then you tap on continue. So you are going to transfer the money to this account. Please don't transfer extra money. Just transfer the 3,000 here. Transfer the 3,000, and you are going to automatically receive an email that your account has been verified. And that's very simple and very easy. And then you continue to do your small tasks and earn a lot of money, and also you can withdraw to your bank account. It's very simple, very easy. So you don't have to complain that I don't have money, because 3,000 is a token money. 3,000 is a token money. So you don't go, I don't have money to earn. Now I'm giving another update on how you can earn money with your smartphone. Just 3,000 to verify your account, so that you'll be able to withdraw any amount on this account. Because if you don't verify, if you reach a certain amount of money, or maybe you'll not be able to get the necessary tax you needed, the full details, the full tax you needed, you'll not be able to get that. But when you verify it, you get everything. So after paying, you just transfer the money to this account, and then you automatically receive an email. That is how you can verify your account on Freebyz. Very simple and very easy, and you can withdraw to any bank accounts. Do you understand? Thank you for watching. God bless you. And make sure please subscribe to my channel. If you want me to talk about any update, maybe a new update, just let me know right in the comment section. And also make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you on your notification button, so that whenever I post a video on a new update on how you can make use of a smartphone to earn money, you are going to be first person to be notified. This YouTube is just about making money with your smartphone. If you're looking for YouTube channel that talk on how you can make money with your smartphone, you are in the right YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Peace out.